Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on XVG coin. In today's video, we will take a look at this very big falling wedge pattern, and right now XVG is moving at the support of this wedge. And in today's video, we will also take a look at the next expected target for XVG. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to show you some major support and resistance levels for XVG, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that we have this last support here at $0.0016, and this is, by the way, can be our key support in case XVG breaks down this support. Right now we are moving above the support of $0.0034, and we can see previously this $0.0016 has been working as a support here and here as well. And right now we are moving above this support, that is $0.0034, and it has been breaking as a strong support here for several weeks, from September 2019 to Feb 2020, and then again here worked as a nice support in October 2020. And before that, it was here working here as a support in September 2017 and as a resistance here back in June 2017. And right now you can see, let me show you on the 4-hour time frame, then you can see that after testing this support, price line just touched this support, and now it is moving sideways and having a nice accumulation, by the way, above this support of $0.0034. Now the next resistance we have on this weekly time frame, that is at 1.3 cents. It has been breaking as a resistance here, as a resistance here, as a support here, and as a resistance here. And then we will have the next resistance at 3.8 cents. It has been breaking as a resistance here and as a support here. And after that, we will have the next resistance at 8.8 cents, very close to 9 cents. And it has been breaking as a resistance here and as a resistance here. And then our final resistance will be here at 27 cents. But that is way above from here. Right now, we are moving at half cent, $0.0051. That is half cent. So there is a very big distance. So right now we're just stuck in the falling wedge pattern. Let me to show you this falling wedge here. And this wedge has been formed on the weekly time frame. And by the way, before that, XVG also formed another falling wedge pattern here back in December 2017. And it was, by the way, from December 2017 to here in December 2019. Let me to show you on the monthly time frame, because it's more visible on this monthly time frame. And we can see here we had the resistance of this wedge, and this was the support of this falling wedge pattern. And after breaking out this falling wedge, we had a very big rally. Let me just show you this move from this low to this high. That was more than 6,800%, very close to 7,000% rally. Exact move, let me show you the exact move, and that is 6,500%. That was a very big move. And right now again it has formed another falling wedge pattern that is smaller than the previous one. However, I'm expecting a very big move can be started after when XVG will be able to break out this resistance of the falling wedge. Now if we take a look at the target for this bigger falling wedge, then we can see that is the top of the wedge, that is approximately at 7.7 cents. But you can see that after breaking out this falling wedge pattern, the target was here at approximately 26 to 27 cents, and that move is still due. So we are just having some correction after this breakout, and during this correction move, the price line has formed another falling wedge pattern. That is a bullish bias pattern, and that is giving us another signal that from here XVG can start the next rally once it will be able to break out this resistance of the wedge. Right now we are moving at the support, and I'm expecting that during this move, like when it will move up to this resistance, by the way, the resistance will be approximately at 1 cent. That is almost 100% move from here. and this time it can break out the resistance, because if we take a look at the monthly time frame chart once again, then on the monthly time frame XVG is completely in oversold zone. And previously when we were in oversold zone, and at the end of the falling wedge, when we broke it out here, we can see that we had more than 6,500% rally, same as like that. Once we will be able to break it out, then we can expect such move once again. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description. I share. Take care. Goodbye.